Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Furry Yarn. Let's crochet a scary spider. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into our magic ring. Tie the yarn and close our magic ring. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop. Add your red yarn, chain 1, and in next stitch, make 2 single crochet. This is called increase. In each stitch, we should make 2 single crochet or increase in this row. In the end of each row, we should make slip stitch. Don't forget this. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, add your white yarn, chain 1. In next 3 stitches, we should make 1 single crochet in each stitch, like this. Second, third stitch, and in next stitch, we should make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. And slip stitch, insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. Chain 1. In next 4 stitches, we should make in each stitch 1 single crochet, like this. 3 and 4. In next stitch, we should make increase or 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. Chain 1. And in this row, we should make in each stitch just 1 single crochet, like this. Chain 1. In this row, we work in back loops. Insert your hook into the back loops and make in each stitch 1 single crochet. Don't forget to like this video. I tie the yarn and I show you how to make eye vessels. And just use your needle and your red yarn to make it and sew it like this. After that, just chain 1 and we should make in next 4 stitches just 1 single crochet. And we start making decrease like this. Insert your hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And row 8, chain 1, and next 3 stitches just 1 single crochet in each stitch. And after that, make 1 decrease. Follow this pattern for this row. Row 9, chain 1, and we're making decreases like this till the end. Just fill it and chain 1, tie the yarn and cut it and tied it, and use your needle and sew our front loops like this, and in the end just tie it and fasten off. I just grab my needle and white yarn and sew something like this. I do 3 times like this, you see, so easy. Just make magic ring like before and make 6 single crochet into magic ring, and after 6 single crochet just tie this piece of yarn and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, same stitch, 1 single crochet, next stitch 1 increase or 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. In the end of each row, 1 slip stitch, chain 1, row 3 to row 4, we should make in each stitch 1 single crochet, like this. Row 5, chain 1 and make 1 decrease, and next 3 stitches just 1 single crochet in each stitch, and in the end again we make a decrease and a slip stitch into the first single crochet and chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tied it, and we should sew it to our eye like this. I feel this piece too, actually, like this, and sew it with your needle. Just pull the yarn around your fingers, insert your hook, pull up a loop and tie it. It's called a slip knot. Chain 20, chain 24, chain 26, chain 28. These are our legs, and just tie it like this and cut it like this, and use your needle and fold the yarn in half and just sew it like this. Sew 4 legs like this, and after that just place your needle like this and do it several times, and just shape the legs like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.